Welcome to another video of our Forex trading training series brought to you by Forex Minute. This is video number 2, Characteristics of Price Behaviour Part 2. In our previous video I taught how price trends, it uptrends and it downtrends, and how when price uptrends and downtrends, price forms a step in motion of rallies and retracements that creates highs and lows. For an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. For a downtrend, lower lows and lower highs. Me personally, I love trends, and my trading heavily evolves around identifying a trend and trading a trend as price moves strongly in one particular direction, and I open a long or short position accordingly. But price isn't always trending. Sometimes it can move in a sideways direction, which we call a range. When price ranges, it moves repeatedly up and down, but the general direction, or the overall direction of price, is sideways. Just as trends can be traded, ranges can also be traded. This is a very basic demonstration of a range. Price moves up and down repeatedly between two areas of the market, and even though it's moving up and down, the general direction of price is sideways. It's not moving in a steady upwards direction or downwards direction, but instead a steady sideways direction. So why does price range? There are a number of reasons why price ranges, just as there are a number of reasons why price trends. But two reasons could be low volatility, like overnight sessions on particular Forex currency pairs, and we'll look at that in a minute on a real life price chart. And another reason could be indecision in a particular market. There is not stronger buying power or selling power in the market which drives price in one particular direction, but instead there's indecision. So let's look at a real life price chart. This is a chart of the Euro US dollar. It's a 15-minute chart. The Euro is heavily traded in the European or London session. The US dollar is heavily traded in the US or New York session. There's only 5 hours difference between London and New York, so both sessions overlap their night hours. And that's clearly demonstrated in the volatility of this currency pair during UK and American night hours. You'll see there's great movement with this currency pair to the left and to the right. This is price movement during daylight hours. This price movement here is nighttime hours. And you'll notice that price is moving steadily up and down, but in a general sideways direction. If we zoom in, we can add a couple of lines to make this clearer. One there, and another down here. We have this up and down motion, but we're moving in a general sideways direction. Let's look at today's price action. Zoom out. You'll see there's been great movement during daylight hours. Now we've reached the evening, price has gone very quiet. And more often than not, when there's low volatility, price will range. So we may see price range throughout this evening and into the early hours of tomorrow morning. Let's look at a range on a higher time frame. Let's go to a daily chart. This is a daily chart of the euro US dollar, and price is ranging. And once again, I've marked the top and bottom area with a horizontal line to show clearly that price is moving in a sideways direction. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, I love trends and I love to trade trends, and in upcoming videos I will show you how to trade trends, and I will also show you how to trade ranges. To summarize, price trends, it uptrends and it downtrends. Price ranges, it can move in a sideways direction. Both market types can be traded for profit. This was video number 2, characteristics of price part 2. Our next video is characteristics of price part 3. This course was brought to you by forexminute.com. Please feel free to check out our website and continue watching these videos.